Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. In this collection, you see the beautiful decoration ideas, flowers, portable designs, how to recycle the different things for a garden decorations. I provide you the simple ideas, how to recreate and how to transform your garden and your indoor and outdoor decoration ideas. Flower pots designed with the shoes, reusable shoes, and the design is so attractive, guys. And I hope this video and this collection is very aesthetic and this video is very useful for you. Enjoy the collection, enjoy the video. If you have any question about my channel, then ask me in comment box. Most trending articles about the garden decorations, the beautiful garden decoration with the flowers designs. If you like my YouTube videos, then you easily got a different ideas how to decorate your small garden with a beautiful way, how to sit the beautiful greenery is very important. The fresh flowers is very important, as well as the fresh greenery that enhance the beauty of your home, that enhance the beauty of your garden. Thank you so much, guys, to watch my videos and to like my videos, sharing my channel with your close relative and friends. Portable ideas and the garden decoration enters the indoor, and how to recycle the different things in a different pattern designs. Balcony ideas, how to design, how to redesign your garden, and the beautiful way, the beautiful ideas. And I hope this video and this collection is very aesthetic, the landscaping with the lighted ideas. My YouTube channel provides you the different ideas for your garden, for your balcony, for your indoor and outdoor decoration ideas, how to decorate your home in different seasons like spring, summer, and winter. Spring season is most favorable because the flowers are look so attractive and every flower looks so amazing, and the design is so attractive. How to decorate your garden corner ideas, I provide you the simplest designs, the creative ideas, and the colors is so amazing, the colors is so fabulous. I hope this video and this collection is very aesthetic and this video is very useful for you. If you have any question about my channel, then ask me in comment box. Watch, like, and comment. The design is related to the garden decoration, home decorations, plants decorations, plants, how to decorate your plant, how to decorate your beautiful garden in a beautiful way, and small garden decoration ideas for my viewers who are watching my YouTube videos on daily basis. Take a screenshot for you, and the design is fantastic, fabulous, and amazing. Colorful flowers, multiple flowers. So I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope you love the designs, the creativity, and the mention are so guys, lovely ideas. I love this video, and I hope you enjoy my collections, and I hope you share my videos with your close relative and friends who are watching the beautiful videos. The decorations ideas is so attractive, and everyone like, everyone sharing my YouTube videos with your close relative and friends. If you like this video, then please support to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment, as well as check my playlist for a beautiful decoration ideas about the garden decorations designs in a beautiful way. Spring seasons is end, but this video is for you. Take care and bye bye.